Good afternoon. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at the Grandison's property down here in Mableton, Georgia. I'm on the back slope. Today we will be removing one of the damaged shingles. As you can see, most of these damaged shingles are either by a component or have damage above them. So I did want to find a shingle that was damaged but did not have any damage on the shingles above. So we will be removing this shingle today, guys. As you can see, clear crease mark on this one. It is these 3 tabs. As you can see, the tab ends right there. I'll let you guys follow along with me while I issue this repair. No nail here or here. So no nails in the shingle so far. Okay. Still no nails in the shingle. Okay, so there's only nails under this row then. Okay. No nail there. No nail there. Where are these nails? So that's very odd, guys. There's no nails on this shingle. Now you can see. What? You can see nail holes on these shingles, guys. But no nails in the actual felt itself. Now, I've never, ever come across this before, but there's no nails anywhere on any of the shingles. There's no nails. There's a nail hole, but there's no nail heads or nails. Regardless, guys, I'll go ahead and put a shingle in. Just wanted to show you that. It's probably why we got a lot of the sliding going on. Okay, put a new shingle in and put some nails in. I'm just gonna check these shingles, guys. See if they have any nails. No nails. Again, okay, so. guys. Repair is completed. As you can see, none of these shingles were affected during the repair, and no granules fall off when I rub these shingles. Now, this was the 2 layers of shingles that were affected. Now, I did notice that this shingle tore in the middle. You can see completely tore right there. Now, these were the shingles that were affected. Now, lightly rub my hand across like this, and you can see the creasing that started right there, going across in the corners, going across. I'll go ahead and chalk this up and take some photos for you guys.